growing this small medicinal garden. I'm also going to reveal how over 35,156 Americans who already planted one in their backyard are now making the remedies they need for free, without chemicals and unwanted side effects. Most importantly, I'll show you how you can do the same and get your own natural medicine from plants, even if you have a very small backyard or no backyard at all. In this short video, I'll share with you the 10 most powerful medicinal plants you need in your backyard. These are the little-known healing plants that every American should grow near their house and turn them into remedies like the pain-killing tincture, nature's disinfecting bandage, the anti-migraine elixir, the stomach tea, a deep sleep potion, the heartburn and acid reflux cold infusion, the anti-anxiety tincture, the joint and muscle pain reliever, the hair growth serum, and 58 more forgotten backyard remedies. Just imagine stepping out into your own backyard and picking the medicinal plants and herbs you need, taking them into your kitchen, and then turning them into the remedies you need for whatever ails you or a loved one. Medicinal plants are usually wild plants, so they're tough. You don't need to take care of them much at all. You can plant them once, and you can forget about them until it's time to use them. These are all flowering plants that are really beautiful and will add a splash of color to your backyard. Or, if you want to be the envy of the neighborhood, just plant them in your front yard. We often don't realize how important medicine is until we don't have access to it anymore. In times of crisis, conventional medicine will vanish as pharmacies get looted. But with this medicinal garden, you'll always have a natural and safe alternative within easy reach. This medicinal garden is easy to grow and easy to use, on one condition. In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to reveal what is probably the single most important thing stand the test of time. Even if you plant your medicinal seeds 1 or even 2 years from now, that's totally fine. Planting a medicinal herb garden will open up an exciting new chapter in your life as you discover the healing power of plants. But I think you'll not only turn to them in sickness, but also in health to keep it intact for as long as possible. Thanks to using natural remedies for so long, my body is in perfect balance. I probably feel more alive now than I ever did, even before being diagnosed with MS. All the plants in this kit help each other grow and make good companions for backyard vegetables and fruit trees. You could also plant them in the front yard, as they are very beautiful. Growing and making your own natural remedies has probably never been easier. Just click on the button below and secure your medicinal garden kit before supplies run out again. Once we're out of these pristine medicinal seeds, there's no telling when or even if we'll be able to get them back for you again, or how much they will cost. As you've seen, prices have been heading in just one direction lately, and they don't look like they'll be changing course anytime soon. For now, we can offer the medicinal garden kit at the price you see below. But for how long, I don't really know. So I hope you make the right choice and order your own backyard pharmacy today. If you can still see the order button below, that means we have at least one more kit left in stock right now. Later, you may come back and see that button is grayed out. That will mean we're all out of seeds. With the medicinal garden kit, you'll get over 65 natural remedies that cover you against a wide range of ailments. So today only, as long as supplies last, you can get the medicinal garden kit at a reduced price, plus wild edibles and medicinal herbs you can forage for or find around your house, plus healing yourself at home with household items, and a full year to decide if the medicinal garden kit is right for you. All of this for just $59 instead of the usual $158. I'm a firm believer in try before you buy, and what I'm providing you here is effectively a 1-year test drive. So what have you got to lose? You can always get your money back. But my guess is you'll never ask me for a refund. If anything, you'll probably end up ordering another kit for a good neighbor or someone else you care about. These days, I get a lot of people ordering 2, 3, or even 10 medicinal garden kits to give away or keep on hand just in case. I suspect many know they'll be able to barter them for other extremely valuable supplies and items after things go bad. Health is probably the most precious thing in our life, so it makes sense that natural medicine that can help restore lost health should also be quite valuable. Do not underestimate the power of growing your own backyard pharmacy. For me personally, these 10 plants turned things around completely, and they gave me back a vibrant life I once thought lost forever. I hope one day they'll be growing in your own backyard. Whatever you decide, I want to take a second to thank you for staying with me through this video. I hope you've learned something new that you can apply to make your life a little better. It's all any of us can do. I wish you many blessings and good health.